something really quickly here. Just give me a moment. BTC. All right, I told them sellers was up at 66,903. All right, that was a little while ago. And then of course here, that's when I came back and I, showed them that, and that's when they hit that price and rolled over. Okay, and then I said, hey, now look for this. Now this is what I want you to pay attention to. These prices here, I'm gonna show them to you on the chart. But before doing so, Mitch, I thank you so much for leaving that comment and actually participating. Showing me that you appreciate the information. You always do that. I don't never have a problem with that. You always do that. I said it here. I said, hey, last BTC, because I ended up putting that same information here. And, I said the last BTC, 0 likes. This one only has one. All right. I want to show you guys something here. Let's look at these prices really quickly. All right. So keep this in mind. I'm going to show it to you in just a second. 54,907, 613.09 and a quarter. And then let me show you those prices again. This is 5 days ago. All right. Everything I do, you can absolutely document it. That's what I do. I make sure that it cannot be said that I didn't, make the public aware of this information. I don't trade BTC. I don't. But I can look at a chart and tell you what's important. All right. So there you have it, and this is 5 days ago. All right, they moved down a little bit more. I don't think this is bad, but of course, they're above that price level there, and this is what it looked like. So I just put a little zone there so we'll know what day it was. All right, and of course that's what you have now. These little markers, that's all they are, just some little markers here. I'll even blow it up for you. I made the bar color here for you guys if you need it. That's from the videos that I did with this information. All right, so this information here, I highlighted when that happened. So I went on and made a bar color for it. I did 3 videos today highlighting that bar color. All right, the actual mark on the bar, but when it doesn't happen, that's what the bar color is meant to show you, when it doesn't happen. And so on the 1 minute chart here, you can see when the color doesn't happen. Typically it's the bar behind it you'll want to hide behind, but most of the time it can go off of that bar most of the time. And so here on this hourly, you can kind of see them coming into this low. Now it doesn't happen a lot here with the bar being colored. It doesn't. And so right before that little dip, let's see if we can go back just a little bit here. Let me kind of move this up a bit. Right before that dip, they came in here. They came here under this level. All right, now before the level, let me see, can I show you that? Before the level, you had them here. And again, when there's no marker on this bar in real time, I want to make sure I tell you guys that in real time, that's important. All right, no marker showed up on this bar. Now there's markers on the rest of these bars, and when I have to cut the platform on, the markers automatically default to the bars closed. But in real time, you can see them here in real time. They land in real time wherever the price is important. They just land. All right, so that's something I definitely want to tell you. And so here on the hourly, you will want to use the indications that has the little dot here, the little dot or hash mark, if you will. You'll want to use that one for this one, in my opinion, because it'll show the separation of the dots a little bit better, if you ask me. I don't even have it up here. I just have those markers. But I definitely wanted to tell you, my friend, if you were able to get that move, that was just fantastic if you were able to grab it. And then also definitely want to make you guys aware, when you join the channel and there's only 2 or 3 people that support the information, that's unfair to those that actually participates. So try to make sure that you participate as well. I know future trading has the same problem. There's a lot of people that come, and I'm even seeing some of that here a little bit. You get people that come and then they don't support the content. On futures trading, I'm absolutely teaching you guys how to look at the market with no indicators at all. I teach you how to look at the bar itself based on time and know when the high and the low is being set. What type of bar it will be while it's in transition. So it can be red, it can be green, and I'll tell you, it's going to be the opposite color before it ends. This is not a one-off. You'll see me do it in each one of these videos at 9:30. I even teach you how to do it on an hourly threshold. How far the live candle will pull back. How far is too far so you don't get stopped out. The trend, I tell you what a trend is with no indicators. A price action method in real time. That's Absolutely, it'll keep you away from that chop, that overlap. And then, of course, I'm going to tell you how to read your bezel. I'm not going to have you looking at a frame and not tell you how to interpret your frame, the picture that you're actually looking at. So if you don't mind, come over here to the channel, and if you don't mind, support the information when it's here on social media. I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care.